up? It is Maria. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing another pack with me video. So in case you haven't been watching my channel, I am actually going to Hawaii for 2 weeks. I leave in less than 24 hours and I have still yet to pack. There's a lot to do, and I also was like, I should get a video filmed. And so then I thought, put the two together and we're gonna do another pack with me video. I did one of these for New York. It was really fun. We're just gonna do it again and it should be a really good time. So before we get started, I'm trying to contemplate which bag. Obviously you guys can't help me with this, but I have this large one and then I also have this smaller sized one. I think I may go with this one. I like to pack lightly, and also summer clothes don't take up that much space, and I'll probably be going to the beach, so I'm thinking I'm going to need at least 20 outfits. No, not 20, that's excessive. Probably like 15 outfits, and I can change. Like 2 nice ones. You know, I'm just going to bring clothes, and then hope that future Maria can pick out outfits from those clothes. I plan to only be wearing swimsuits also the entire time, so I don't know legitimately how much of my summer wardrobe is going to be taken with me, but we're just going to get started because I have a lot of packing to do. Also, please ignore this bruise on my leg. All these bruises on this poor leg. I was helping my dad move furniture and I dropped a table on my leg, so that's fantastic. I was gonna apologize for my appearance and how crappy I look, but I feel like I look this way in every single video, and I feel like I apologize every video. So we're just gonna accept this as the normal now and just agree that I always look like crap. But I pretty much pulled out my entire summer wardrobe because I think that's what I'm going to need. So I'm bringing a pair of blue denim shorts because they're essential, and a pair of black denim shorts because they're essential. And then I am bringing the shorts I have on now. They're like Brandy Melville ruffle shorts. And then I am going to bring my Topshop dolphin shorts for like lounging purposes. And then also in the bottoms category, I'm bringing my cargo buckle skirt and then I am going to bring my denim skirt as well in case I'm not feeling the cargo skirt. I may need the bigger bag. And then I'm bringing this snake print skirt. And then as for tops, pretty much my entire tank top collection. So my Guess tank is coming with me. Do I need all these clothes? Probably not. I don't need all these clothes, but I'm gonna bring them all anyway. I'm bringing this tube top from Urban. Basic white tube for days where it's a little chilly. Not that this would protect me from the cold. I'm bringing this crop top from Urban that you've literally seen me wear in almost every single video on my channel. This Los Angeles tank, even though I'm going to Hawaii. My Meet-A-Wee tank. Hello! And for like a fancier evening, this one shouldered number from Urban. This another fancier number. It's a tie-around top. I wore it in my spring outfits video if you really want to see it. It's from Brandy Melville. Obviously, I have to bring my Hawaiian shirt because like I'm going to Hawaii. It's from Volcom. I feel like it's like iconic to wear a Hawaiian shirt in Hawaii. Bringing this collared button up from Brandy Melville. Bringing my Italian shirt for chillin', and then another tube top because it's a basic. It's a summer essential. I'm bringing my is this too much? No, it's not. I'm bringing this surplus top. I'm bringing my yellow tank for lounging and stuff. I'm bringing my black loungy tank, and then for fancy evenings on the town in downtown Kapalua, I have my cowl neck top. For workout, I'm just bringing my normal workout wear, probably mostly shorts because it's hot and I plan on working out in the lovely Hawaiian sun on the beach. So I have obviously my iconic Keith Urban shirt to bring. Don't go anywhere without that. My Lululemon shorts, my Nike shorts, and my Nike top. That should be good for workout. This is my long line bra. Why can't I speak? This is my long line bra from Lululemon. So I'm gonna bring this. Now for pajamas, I'm only bringing one. I'm bringing my Tommy Hilfiger really comfy sleepy shorts and my another iconic band t-shirt, my One Direction tee. So I'm back with my swimsuits now. I'm obviously bringing all my 2 pieces because I have to rotate through my swimsuits. If I want to post my picture on the gram, I gotta make sure that I have different content. I have content baby content for each day, and I can't be caught in the same swimsuit twice, obviously. So I'm bringing my snake print one, my cheetah print one from Abercrombie. I'm bringing my triangle one, bringing my Victoria's Secret one. I'm bringing my really scandalous Forever 21 one. I love this swimsuit. For surfing or doing hardcore swimming in the ocean, I'm bringing a one piece. If you guys need like cute one pieces, there's this brand called Jolene. Any competitive swimmer will tell you that Jolene has the best training suits, and they're also really cute, and this one has a really pretty design down the back. I think that's it for like clothes and stuff, so I'm gonna move on to accessories and toiletries. So, see you guys on the other side. Why did I do that? Now it is time to pack accessories and toiletries. In here I have toothbrush and toothpaste and my retainers. Nothing really that interesting. In here, on vacation, I don't like to bring my entire skincare routine. It's an abbreviated version, but in here I have Origins checks and balances and my moisturization and sunscreen combined. My moisturizer with sunscreen, the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Protection by Drunk Elephant, and I also have a Glossier coconut balm. And then for makeup, I'm bringing mascara. I like to bring minimal makeup as well. I don't want to put on a full face of makeup if I'm just gonna like go outside into the humidity or go into the pool. So concealer, this is powder brush, powder, brow gel, concealer brush, and Glossier cloud paint. So that is makeup. Close. Please close. That is all my skincare packed. For accessories, I have my classic hexagonal Ray-Bans. They're my favorites. And I also have my reflective ones, but I'm going to put those in my carry-on. I obviously have to bring my bucket hat because I love my bucket hat. It's my favorite thing. And then I also am bringing a baseball cap. In case I don't want to wear my bucket hat, I have to have a baseball hat so I don't get burned. That, I think, is that everything? Oh, I need shoes too. That means I have to go all the way upstairs. Okay, I'm going to go upstairs and get shoes. See you guys in a hot sec. Okay, as far as shoes goes, I like to pack pretty light with the shoes because I feel like shoes are what make or break the space. So I am bringing my Birkenstocks because they're so versatile and they're waterproof and they're amazing. So, I just hit myself in the face. Love these. I'm bringing my favorite all-time pair of shoes, Chuck Taylor Converse, because again, they are so flat, they're so easy to pack, like this is all it takes up. They're the best shoe ever, they're so versatile and they work for every situation, and I've had these since 6th grade and they still look great. And I'm going into my junior year, like they're such great shoes. Why did I get so excited? I'm going to be wearing my workout shoes down because those are normally like the heaviest portion of my bag, so I'm wearing those down. I'm going to put all this, I'm going to see if I can get it, I'm going to see if I can get it into this small bag because that would be the ideal situation. I pretty much have everything in my bag clothes-wise that I need. I'm also going to throw in there my knockoff GoPro because I'm too cheap to get a real one. Wow, I'm shocked. Actually shocked I fit all of that in here. Now let's pack my carry-on. Okay, so now I'm going to pack my carry-on. This is my favorite bag to use as a carry-on. First of all, because the color is so happy. It's so nice and yellow. And also, I believe that John Raven Conkins are the best size for carry-ons. In that, I'm going to be putting my Condé Nast because this is my favorite magazine ever. It's a travel magazine. My iPad is going in, along with my charger, which is freakishly long. My favorite lip balm, this is the Smith's Rosebud Salve, as well as a lot of scrunchies. Including the sunglasses that I told you about earlier. And then I used to read a lot. In 2018, I did the Goodreads book challenge, or 2017, whatever year I was in 8th grade, and I read over 60 books, and I haven't been able to do that since, so I'm going to try and force myself to get back on the reading train. I'm packing, this is A List of Cages by Robin Rowe, Infinite Pieces of Us by Rebecca Crane, Someday We Will Fly, historical fiction, Grendel's Guide to Love and War by A.E. Kaplan, and I really want to try and get into poetry books. I read Milk and Honey by Ruhi Kapoor, I think her name is, or Kapoor, so I'm reading The Place Between Breaths by Ann Na. I'm not really sure how you say her name, but I'm excited to read this. And I may or may not bring my computer. I need to do some summer homework before I go to Italy this summer, so that may have to happen in Hawaii, we'll see. And then also in the Dab, I'm going to put my water bottle in here as well. That is essentially everything that I'm packing to bring with me to Hawaii. That is the completed video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and do all those fun YouTube things because it really helps out my channel and it really helps my channel grow, which is really great. And I'm back here every single Monday for more content. I will be posting when I'm in Hawaii, so come back here Monday, June 10th, Monday, June 17th, because I'll be posting, and every Monday after that because I will be posting. So, yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful summer to all of us that are off of school. Hallelujah, we made it. I didn't say at the beginning of the video, but yes, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!